What's up, YouTube? This is Nick from Smart Stocks, and if you want to get smart on the stock market and follow my journey through the stock market, then subscribe below. Remember guys, I am not a financial advisor. Alright, let's get to it. In the last week, I've lost 10% of my total invested money. Yeah, I think it's been a really rough week, but I think these are the times that kind of show you if you're going to be a long-term investor or a short-term investor. I haven't sold anything that has been down. I sold a couple stocks of NIO because I was up 26% and I figured I should make a couple profit and just lock it in, and I'm going to re-up on that and get some more stock. But besides that, I haven't sold anything. I have kept everything in red. I will never sell stuff unless something crazy happens when it's down. I just don't believe that selling and losing money is something I want to do. If until you sell, it could always come back. For me, I think this is just a really good time to remember why you're investing in a company. Are you investing in a company because you saw a YouTube video or two? Or are you investing in a company because you did your research as well and you really believe in the company long term? You know, if you did the research and you truly believe in a company, if everything is down in the market, it really shouldn't spook you out too much, I don't think. But for some people, they might not really be that invested in the company. They might have just been trying to get a couple bucks, you know what I mean? Just a swing trade or something like that, and just been in there to lock in profits for a few weeks and then trade it and make some more money. And these times, it kind of makes those people sweat a lot more, especially people who have call options, and the call options are now becoming less and less valuable as time goes on because the stocks are dropping, especially for a lot of these companies that went through mergers like Helion, CCXX, and Multiplan, and a whole bunch of other stocks. Remember guys, there's no stimulus bill that's been announced. That's a huge reason I believe for the market just being down in general over the last month. The whole summer, August and September were huge in the market, so it makes sense that right before the election, the stocks have started to go down again. This typically happens almost every election. The month before an election, the stocks are horrible, and they start recovering a couple months after the election typically. So guys, this is the time. If you are down a lot of money, look into the companies. Remember, why am I investing in this company? Am I a short-term seller? Am I a long-term investor? What am I trying to do here? Should I get out of this company and put my money somewhere else? Or should I just hold steady because I truly believe in the company? And if you don't have the information on the companies that you're invested in, this is the time to start doing a lot of research into the companies and figuring out what you believe in the company's growth prospects. This is also a good time for you guys to start diversifying. You know what I mean? If you have one stock that's down and you put all of your money into it, it feels a lot worse than whenever you have a couple stocks that are hovering around a stable price. This is a good time for everyone who just started investing. A lot of people have probably not seen these crashes. They haven't dealt with it. I personally have never dealt with this. I'm not worried. Nothing has really changed about companies like Workhorse. Actually, things like Workhorse, we've only gotten good news and the stocks have kept going down. It doesn't really worry me in the long term. You have to remember that. A lot of these stocks, their stocks are crashing and they're getting pretty good news generally. Not telling you guys what to do, but I'm just telling you guys, do the research on your stocks that you own. If you haven't invested yet, then now is a great time to start your position. There's a huge dip right now in most of the stocks. So if you guys want to get some money into some companies at a great price, now is the time. Companies like Helion, Workhorse, LCA, all kinds of companies right now are just really discounted, and if you look at that like a sale, you might be able to make a lot of money long term. People have already made a lot of money on Workhorse when it was at $24. Imagine if you can get it at $20, or imagine if you can get Lordstown Motors DPHC for $19. That's a steal. Right now I think it's $18. Do your research. Please look into these companies and figure out what your intentions are with the company and how long you can wait. If you need that money, guys, take the money out. You shouldn't be investing money that you're gonna need soon. Never do that, guys. Please don't invest money that you're gonna need in a couple months for rent. It's never gonna work out, and it's gonna have you stressed and anxious and not helping you long term. Please tell me what you're doing with the stocks dropping. Are you buying? Are you selling? Are you holding right now? And please subscribe, comment below, share it with your friends. So until next time, I'll see you guys later.